Well, something I haven't shared yet on social media, but in fact, we've been in touch. We're trying to plan a gym session for ourselves. Jackie, stay focused. No, I'm joking. Hi, this is Jacqueline Fernandez, and you're watching me on Femina India. We need to stop comparing our lives and ourselves to other people. Everybody is different and everyone is unique in their own journey. And envy really, really is one of the most wasted emotions ever to exist. I've started playing chess. I've started learning how to play chess, and it's something that I'm really enjoying doing right now. And yeah, I'm learning a lot about it. I was listening to a very interesting interview on the Tim Ferriss podcast the other day, and there was this amazing angel investor, Sian Bannister. She said something that was, I felt, very impactful. She talked about how we need to all wake up and we need to stop sleepwalking throughout our lives. I felt was something very, very important for a lot of people to hear, because it's only when you start taking charge of your own life, and once you start becoming the captain of your own ship and owning your own narrative, that's when real transformative change happens in your life. So for me, that was a very, very important piece of advice to hear. Jackie, stay focused. No, I'm joking. I think it's actually about a matter of your attention, understanding where your attention lies, and understanding the task at hand. So I think the quick fix for me for that would be cutting off distractions. So I know what my distractions are and my interruptions. I would try to just keep those out when I know I really need to focus on something. So somebody I am dying to work out with right now is Sunidhi Chauhan. In fact, we've been in touch. We're trying to plan a gym session for ourselves, but because of our schedules, it's not been working out. I think she is such an inspiration for so many people. She's such a girl boss, and she's such a great energy. So for people looking to get fit, I would recommend them to have a beginner's mindset. Unfortunately, we're always looking for short-term solutions, and with fitness, it's actually a long-term game, so you have to keep that in mind. Don't think about perfection when you're starting off. Just go with the journey, take it slow, and I think that would help you in the long term. My fitness philosophy, well, I think it's changed throughout the years. In fact, right now I am working on something called cycle syncing. It's when you understand your body and your hormones and you work out according to that. So there are some times when you have these really high energy phases. So you can do your cardio and strength training. And there are some days we have low energy phases. So those are the days I understand now that my body is looking at more things like yoga or maybe Pilates. So I now work out according to my cycle. How does mental health affect physical health? In fact, I feel it would probably be the other way around for me personally. At times when I feel pretty low, or at times that I feel that I need some kind of confidence or I'm not having clarity of mind, that's when I become way more disciplined and strict with my physical health. I hit the gym, I look at strength training, and in turn that does give me a lot of mental clarity. So I try to understand that it is really about my physical health that is helping my mental health. So my favorite film of 2024 was a film that I watched at the Cannes Film Festival this year. It was called The Substance by Coralie Forget. It stars Demi Moore. It was just one of the most shocking films I've seen after a long, long time that really looks at human psychology and modern day society and how it could be so horrific at times. Favorite song of this year is Storm Rider by Jacqueline Fernandez. It was my first single that I released this year, so I would have to put that as my favorite song of this year. A favorite food that I experienced this year was actually a little experiment that I tried in the kitchen with mushroom, and this new mushroom that I discovered called lion's mane, and it made a really, really amazing curry. It was this new recipe that I discovered this year, and it's something that I literally feast on almost every day. Yeah. So another really amazing discovery I made this year was I went to the Red Sea in Saudi Arabia for my birthday. It was just so pristine and so beautiful and so peaceful. The water was amazing and the hospitality was amazing. So I would probably have to recommend the Red Sea to anybody.